Hello, Chess for Children kids. It's me, Mr. C, and today's subject will be minor piece checkmate.
As for children, kids, so much fun you'll split a rib. Summer, winter, fall, we'll checkmate them all with a Chess for Children, kids.
Chess for Children. We make children smarter.
Please welcome author, lecturer, chess coach, and CEO of Chess for Children, National Master Steve Colding.
Hi, today's subject will be minor piece checkmates. Minor piece checkmates are checkmates that are performed with bishops or knights. There are basically three types of minor piece checkmates. Checkmates with the bishops and knights, checkmates with the knights, and checkmates with the bishops. And we will be looking at all three. Bishop and knight checkmates. Checkmate with the bishop and knight is possible if two things exist. One, the king is blocked by its own pieces, or two, it happens in the corner of the board. Okay, this is the first position, the first mating position of the bishop and knight checkmate. As you notice here, the king is in the corner and the knight is taking away square g8. The bishop is taking away where the king's on, h8. The pawn is interfering and blocking the king from getting out. So this is the first checkmating position. This is the second checkmating position, and this is very similar to the first. In this position, the bishop takes away the king's square, and the knight takes away the g8 square, and the pawn is interfering and blocking the king. This is the bishop and knight checkmate for number 3. Now this one's a little different. Here, the bishop takes away the square f7, so it's taking away the square f7 and g8. Now the knight is taking away the square. The knight is taking away the square f8 and h8, and the knight at h7 is blocking, and the pawn at g7 is blocking the king's escape. So this is another checkmate. So let's look and see how we can put these things in practice and how they work in practice. How are we going to do that? By you solving some problems. Okay, so let's go to puzzle. This position is white to move and win. It's a good tactic to remember. Take your time, look at the position, stop the video, and good luck. Well, if you solved it, congratulations. If you didn't solve it, well, maybe next time. Okay, and the best move here is knight to g4, because if pawn takes queen, then knight to h6. And yes, he doesn't have to play pawn takes queen, but this is the tactic that would be useful for you to remember. And white was winning anyway, so that really was the best and fanciest move. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. Okay, this is white to move and checkmate in 2 moves. Stop the video, see if you can solve it, and good luck. If you solved it, congratulations. If you did solve it, well, maybe next time. So the answer is rook to h5, because if pawn, now he's threatening mate on h7, and if you take it, he plays queen to f6, checkmate. Okay, so now we'll go to the next one. White to move and win. Stop the video, take your time, see if you can solve it, and good luck. Okay, if you solved it, congratulations. If you didn't solve it, well, maybe next time. The answer is bishop to e5. The bishop is attacking the queen. So if the queen moves out the way, we'll just move it somewhere. Well, it can't move there. If queen moves there, then queen to h6 wins the game. Because if pawn takes, knight takes is checkmate. If pawn takes, knight takes is checkmate. You see, because all the squares are taken. And if what is he gonna do about queen takes g7? If he can't take it and he can't stop it, then the game is over. It's checkmate. Of course, black could give up his queen and that would avert the checkmate, but I said white to move and win. So if you got that answer, congratulations. Moving on to the next one. This is our next position, and here it is white to move and checkmate black in 3 moves. Stop the video, see if you could solve it. Good luck. Okay, here we go. If you solved it, congratulations. If you didn't, well, maybe you'll do better next time. The moves start out with queen takes h7. Now knight must take. Knight goes to g6, check. King to g8, and bishop to d5 is check. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's white to move and checkmate in 2 moves. Stop the video, check out the position, and see if you can solve it. Plus, good luck. Okay. If you solved it, congratulations. If you didn't solve it, well, maybe next time. And the move starts out with knight e7, double check. So the king goes to h8. And now black's knight delivers the checkmate with knight to g6. On to the next one. Last position covering the bishop and knight checkmate. It's white to move. Oh, I'm sorry. It's black to move and checkmate white in 3 moves. Take your time. Look at the position. Stop the video. And good luck. If you solved it, congratulations. If you didn't solve it, well, maybe next time. We start out with knight to e2 check. Here the king is in check, and the bishop can't take it because it's pinned by the rook, and the rook can't take it because it's pinned by the bishop, so the king must go over. Now the next move is rook takes bishop, distracting the rook from the line of the bishop. So the rook must take because it's check. And then knight to g6 is knight to g3. And then knight to g3 is checkmate. Checkmate with the 2 bishops. Checkmate with the 2 bishops occurs in 2 different scenarios. One is if the king is in the corner, of course. And 2, if the king, checkmate with the 2 bishops can occur in a checkmate known as the crisscross. First, the crisscross checkmate. In this position, it is white to move and win in 2 moves. Stop the video, check it out, see if you can solve it, and good luck. Well, if you solved it, congratulations. If you didn't solve it, well, you'll do better next time. And the answer is queen takes queen, and now white has won a queen. And so black, if he has any hope, must take it. Unfortunately, in this situation, bishop to b5 checkmates and demonstrates the crisscross checkmate. Hi, it's me, Mr. C, and this concludes part 1 of our video on minor piece checkmates. Our next video will be minor piece checkmates part 2. My name is Steve Colding from Chess for Children. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about chess, chess openings, chess tactics, and all chess-related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss anything.